Sir, pwede po ba bayaran ng buo ang loan? Hindi na need tapusin yung 3 years. Well, friends, ito yung tanong ni Sir sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about MPL payments ng pag-ibig. So, mag-full payment po siya earlier than the schedule. So, instead na 3 years, gawin niyang 1 year to pay. Pwede ba ito? Answer, yes. So please watch the full video. I-explain natin concisely, direct to the point, and with example. Let's get started. Example tayo, friends, no? Ito po, borrower's name, Mr. A. So loan amount, 19,836.76. So na-loan niya, dated April 20, 2023. So may monthly amortization siya, 1,012.01. So loan type, 2 years to pay. So kanina yung tanong ni Sir, 3 years, no? Pero sa example lang natin, 2 years. Amortization period, ang payment niya, 2 years to pay. So mag-start po July 15, 2023 up to June 15, 2025. So bakit po July mag-start ang payment ni Mr. A? Nagiloan man niya ito dated April 20, 2023. Kasi po si Pag-ibig po may 3 months po na grace period bago mag-start ang deduction or monthly amortization. So, yung mga friends natin na hindi aware, so please take note of this, no? Please be mindful. Pwede po tayo mag-request sa HR natin na 3 months after pa mag-start ang monthly deduction sa MPL. Or kung gusto nyo, the following month agad. Pero meron tayong 3 months actually na grace period. Alright? By the way, itong example natin is, ano to no? May statement of account po tayo na hawak. So, yan yung basis natin. Of course, yung statement of account, galing ito sa Pag-ibig, no? Naghihi tayo ng printout. So, moving forward, ayan, no? So, before tayo mag-full payment pala, so importante maghingi tayo ng statement of account kay Pag-ibig. So, amount due for full payment, so 19,836.76. Ngayon, may less principal. Yan yung payments natin, no? Starting yung first payment up to January 25, 2024. So, meron tayong payment na 4,695.44. Of course, i-deduct natin yan sa loan amount. So, may outstanding balance tayo na 15,141.32. So, ito na ngayon. So, may installment overdue, may penalty, wala tayong penalty kasi updated ang payment. Of course, may interest tayo kasi loan yan. Pero ang interest na ito na bayaran natin, if mag-full payment tayo earlier, 58.08 only. Bakit po? Kasi yung interest na bayaran natin is from first month up to January 25, 2024 only. Yes, friends, you heard me right. So, walang interest payment from January 26 up to yung mag-end yung term. Kasi po, earlier tayo nagbayad. So, ang interest payment lang nabayaran is up to January 25, 2024. Hindi nakasali yung remaining months or years. Wala na pong interest yan. Yan po ang advantage if mag-pay tayo earlier. Alright? So as a result, ang total amount due lang po natin is 15,199.40 if magbayad tayo today, January 25, 2024. So, yung tanong ni Sir kanina, the answer is yes, pwede magbayad, Sir, earlier than the schedule. So, instead na 3 years to pay, pwede po 1 year to pay. So, again, yung interest nabayaran natin is good for 1 year only kasi na-stop na po ang interest if mag-full payment tayo agad. So yung 2 years na remaining, wala yung interest. Alright? So hope na nasagot ko yung question ni sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.